Welcome! Today we'll learn how to convert 7.0 liters to milliliters. Let's break this down step by step. First, let's understand the relationship between liters and milliliters. 1 liter equals 1,000 milliliters. This means we multiply by 1,000 to convert from liters to milliliters. So to convert 7.0 liters to milliliters, we multiply 7.0 by 1,000. Let's see this calculation. 7.0 times 1,000 equals 7,000. Therefore, 7.0 liters equals 7,000 milliliters. Let's visualize this conversion. Here's a container that holds 7.0 liters. When we convert to milliliters, we're measuring the same amount of liquid, just using smaller units. To summarize, to convert from liters to milliliters, we multiply by 1,000. So 7.0 liters equals 7,000 milliliters. Remember this simple conversion. 1 liter equals 1,000 milliliters. This makes converting between these units straightforward.